This is a meditation for coming home to the reality of unity consciousness, the one real reality, the truth of divine interconnection and oneness. In order to enter this state, you must first find yourself comfortable and relaxed, willing to surrender and able to open up completely to the moment of now. Whenever you are ready, sit down comfortably, either on a chair, sitting upright, or on the floor, preferably with your back upward facing, and your feet gently resting against the ground. Take a deep breath in and imagine that beautiful pink light enters your body with every breath. See this pink light enter from the top of your crown chakra, down your spine to the base of your feet, and a circulation of light begins emanating in your body. This light charges you, fills you with positive energy, and makes you feel completely loved and connected to the divine. With every exhale, you push stagnant, lower density energy out of your body, which is pushed through the soles of your feet down to the earth, where it is welcomed by Gaia for recycling and rejuvenation. With every breath, you feel your being taking in a higher frequency. And as you begin to vibrate on a new wavelength, closer to the divine frequency, you feel more free, more light, more alive, and more ready to become a conduit for the divine intelligence. You are now connecting to the field, which you can call the quantum field, God, Source Creator, or the higher consciousness which gave birth to all things in existence. Each of us has an individual relationship with this field. We may call it different names, consider it in different ways, but it holds a universal meaning, which is that of oneness. To connect to this field, we must remember the sheer love which this field gives rise to, the feeling of divine interconnection which allows us to remember our true origin, the birthplace of love, and the place where our soul reconnects with its truest essence. At this time, reconnect to this feeling of being as one with the field. See the divine welcoming you as you allow yourself to open your heart and to reunite with this experience of oneness. Unity consciousness is on the other side of your fears, inhibitions, limiting beliefs, and any thought of separation that may exist in your reality. In order to reconnect with this truth of oneness, allow yourself to create space for the vastness of the universal field within you, because this is the truth of oneness, that the entire universe exists within every point of this matrix. Oneness exists in everything, and fragmentation is a myth of our minds. So give thanks to the divine, to this field, for allowing you to experience its wholeness through your individual part of consciousness. Perceive the beauty of this divine intelligence and give thanks to the Creator for allowing you to create your own fractal within the whole. Now imagine that you are the Creator embodied in a small aspect of it. You have all the right to create with the majesty and grace that the divine does, to experience a stream of consciousness through you that allows you to invoke healing, channeling, the reception of information, and the sharing of that information with the world. You too have the power to bring light into your being and to emanate it for the purpose of creation, guidance, inspiration, and beautiful life. Claim your power to do this, to become the light and the vessel of this divine intelligence, to create a better life for yourself and others. For this is your purpose. This is why the divine has allowed you this experience of reconnecting with yourself and with the source through your human physicality. See your body lighting up with this beautiful energy, this prana or chi from the universe, as your etheric layer begins to vibrate at a higher frequency. Allow yourself to receive the light from your crown chakra, streaming down your spine and into the soles of your feet, creating this radiant circulation through your body as you begin to consciously operate in tandem with the divine. You are a creative instrument for this intelligence, and at this time, you're going to experiment with the power that you have to heal. Imagine that there is a hologram of the earth in front of you. Feel it with the palm of your hands. Connect to the earth's frequency and allow it to be as one with your heart space. You can observe anything that is happening on planet Earth and feel both the darkness and the light, both the love, beauty, and the suffering and the pain. Connect to this duality of the human experience and see everything that is occurring on the planet at this time. Allow yourself to witness the spectrum of consciousness which is revealed in our third dimension. Feel everything that the Creator can feel and what the field created for the purpose of our witnessing. There is great darkness on the planet, an expression of the collective unconscious. You have the ability to observe these unconscious aspects and to shed light on them, to bless those who don't have the ability to see the light and who don't know that there is still space for more love and more healing in their lives. Feel into the collective shadow, this darkness that creates the pain, suffering, despair, and confusion on the planet. And allow yourself to be with all of those feelings, to observe them lovingly, just like the Creator does, for this is the purpose of them. Recognize everything that feels like an injustice as another part of the collective organism that wants to be loved, and see how the earth responds to your loving awareness of it. With the beautiful light radiating in and through your body, the pink and golden beams that are ready to be radiated outside of you as well, direct this light towards this collective unconsciousness, towards the darkness that wants to be illuminated, and share it with all those who need it at this time. Send your light-filled blessings to those who are in pain, to those who are depressed, to those who do not see the light, to those who you may not understand even need it. This beautiful light, which holds the frequency of love, has the power to neutralize all of the harsh polarities of life, to dispel judgment, to wash away fear, to dilute hatred, and to reduce any condition of pain and suffering by serving as an antidote to all of these low frequency states. we can raise the collective consciousness by focusing on becoming the antidote, the medicine for the earth, by becoming as one with these higher frequency states which allow us to hold space for a new reality. As the vessel of light that you are, allow yourself to project your intention to create more healing on the planet, more consciousness, more love, more faith, more unity, more awareness, more peace, and more tranquility, by allowing the light within you to wash over the universal hologram that you can perceive. See the earth be filled with the light streaming through your heart, and see the field light up through your connection to it. See those who are filled with the pain and despair experience the alchemy of those emotions, moving into the higher frequency states that their consciousness can take them into as they too surrender to this process of transmutation. See those collective blind spots light up through your recognition of them. See the entire world begin to rejoice through the awakening of a higher state of consciousness for all those who are ready to unify as part of this global shift. Now bring your attention back to your own body. Feel this beautiful pulsation of energy that is also returned back to you. For all the healing that you bring into other people's lives also reflects in a beautiful way through the coherence of your own being. Feel the openness of your heart space, how beautifully magnetic the love within it is. Feel the energy streaming from top to bottom of your body, filling you with warmth, radiance, joy, peace, and tranquility. Feel yourself becoming as one with all things as you experience this connection to all of life. And this feeling of oneness begins to take you further away from your own suffering, your own pain, trauma, and difficulties, which you realize are only as real as you want them to be. Continue your journey of transcendence by connecting to anyone or anything in your life which you would like to bring healing to. This could be a loved one or somebody who you care deeply about, somebody who you wish to share healing energy with, or bring some deeper awareness about this state of unity consciousness too. As you bring this person or thing into your awareness, share this light that is coursing through your being with them. Hold hands with this person or thing, connecting with their heart center and with their consciousness to share with them this beautiful awareness of higher consciousness. As you share your light with them, see them awakening to the reality that they too are a light being, that their resistance can melt away through their reconnection with the eternal truth of oneness, and see how their difficulties, their stagnant energy, their resistance, and their suffering begins to melt away with their connection to the One. Continue to enjoy this beautiful state of harmony that you're now experiencing. Remember how it feels in your body to be this present, this connected, and this loved, not just by yourself, but by all things, which you can feel united with when you choose to focus on unity consciousness. This feeling is a choice that you can enact in any moment of time, and this feeling can remain in you after this meditation and after you come out of a state of being purely focused on it. Because to train your ability to be in unison with all things allows you to maintain this frequency, to hold this energy, and to remember the reality of true love and true light, which brings you back home to that beautiful oneness. Share this experience with all those who matter in your life and with the entire planet by leaving this presence of light within you and by choosing to share light with everyone and everything, for this is your purpose. You deserve to always feel loved and to always feel light, and others deserve to have this experience brought to them through your gentle reminder of it through your own field. So continue to be the light, be the love, and to thank the field for all it has brought into your life to allow you to have this experience. At this time, thank the divine for creating this journey and for allowing you to remember the source of who you are. Thank that beautiful light, and thank yourself and your heart for allowing yourself to be as one with this consciousness. And I thank you for doing your part to help unify the collective. May you be at peace, and may ever more love and light pervade your life. Namaste.